In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV with premium add-ons. If you're looking to enhance your streaming experience with extra features, this guide will help you make the most of your subscription. Let's get started. YouTube TV offers optional premium add-ons like HBO Max, Stars, or Showtime, which can complement your live sports experience. Start by subscribing to YouTube TV at tv.youtube.com and selecting a base plan. During sign-up or in your account settings, you can add premium channels for an extra fee. Once your subscription is active, download the YouTube TV app on your device, log in and browse the channel lineup to find live football games on ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC. While these add-ons aren't required for football, they provide access to exclusive sports documentaries, analysis shows, and more. If this video helped you learn how to enhance your YouTube TV experience, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.